In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Basecamp and ClickUp. We're going to do this using Zapier, which acts as the bridge between your tools. By the end, you'll have both Basecamp and ClickUp connected in Zapier, ready for you to build automations that keep your projects in sync. Start by heading to your Zapier account. From your Zapier home dashboard, look for the main navigation and click on the Apps section. This is where all of your connected tools live, and it's the central place to manage integrations. Inside Apps, you'll see a list of app connections and possibly some existing organizations or workspaces. Click on your organization entry to open its connections area. Here, you'll manage which apps are authorized to talk to Zapier on your behalf. Next, find and click on the Add Connection button. You'll see this button more than once in slightly different places, but the purpose is always the same. It starts the process of connecting a new app. If you see multiple Add Connection buttons, just follow along with the one visible in the Connections panel. They all lead you into the same flow. Zapier will then show a search or selection view. If the interface highlights a section or field, that's where you should click to either start searching or to open a drop-down of available apps. Use that highlighted area to search for ClickUp. Once you see ClickUp in the results, click on it to select it. After selecting ClickUp, you'll again confirm by clicking ClickUp if prompted, and then choose Add Connection. Zapier will now redirect you to ClickUp's authorization screen. Here, you'll see an option to connect or authorize a workspace. Click Connect Workspace, then confirm that you're signed in to the correct ClickUp account and approve access. When that's done, Zapier will bring you back to the Connections page, now with ClickUp listed as a connected app. With ClickUp set up, repeat a similar process for Basecamp. Click Add Connection again in Zapier. When the search or highlight area appears, click in that area and search for Basecamp. Select Basecamp from the list and then click Add Connection. Zapier will redirect you to Basecamp's authorization page. Review the access request, and when you're ready, click Yes, I'll allow access. This authorizes Zapier to work with your Basecamp account. After this final confirmation, both ClickUp and Basecamp are connected in Zapier, and you're ready to start building automations between the two.